Hey guys, okay, so we are going to go through the plans for this six-bed HMO. Now, we've investigated, actually, we'll look quick upstairs. So we investigated upstairs already. So the plan was to see if potentially we can knock through a wall up here to see if we can get another room on the right. So as you can see, Thomas just had a go at that, but we think the roof actually goes down here, which means if we were to go into that space, it would have to be a dormer, and which in this scenario is just going to cost too much. So in the future, we might do that, put a dormer in there, but as it stands, that would just be knocked through as a studio. Let's go back downstairs. Okay, so Tom and Amina has just left. We've just gone through plans for this property. It will be 3 en suites and 3 studios, and full refurb throughout. This will be bedroom number 1, so it's currently a reception room. This will be a bedroom. This, I think, is about 14 square meters, or meters squared. What we'll do is we'll put a ensuite there, 2.5, and another one there, backing up onto it. That will make this a compliant ensuite. Now, with this chimney thing, that's a really, really nice chimney thing. It's the original one as well. Now, if anybody wants that, please let us know. Like, it is really nice and it's original as well. But I don't think we can leave it there because it's taking up too much space and it's going to be a bit weird living in a living room. But basically, that just makes it look like you're living in a living room, which is a shame. We are going to see if we can somehow incorporate that into the design of the room. But my gut feeling is that with the ensuite, all that sort of stuff, it's just going to look out of place. And in fact, we probably will have to take it out anyway. So this will be the room. Because these doors, and these are proper wood, solid wood fire doors, and because they have key safes on, push button locks on them, and these are like really nice, I think we're going to leave them and reuse them. Now, my only thing is, these are not the paneled doors, so they don't look that modern. But at the same time, 6 doors and frames and all that sort of stuff, and locks and all that sort of stuff, is going to be quite expensive. So we can save a lot of money by using the existing one. Now, they won't look super modern, but hopefully once the whole house is done, it won't look so bad, essentially. But I mean, they've got numbers and everything on them. As you can see, all the furniture is here. Fair enough, they are old landlord furniture. Well, they don't look like modern furniture, but they are really good, really durable. So I think what I suggest is we use those until they need replacing, and then just get new furniture. I mean, there's no point in getting rid of old furniture that works absolutely fine. Okay, so that unfortunately has to be removed, but that's not original anyway. Showers we can leave. Okay, so the ensuite will essentially go over there. Now this room is, I think, 11, so 12, 13 meters squared. Now, the minimum room requirement has to be 10.5, I think. Well, basically, the ensuite in this room is going to have to be 2 meter squared, which is like quite small, but that's the only way we're going to make everything compliant. The tank for the ensuites are going to go downstairs. It's down here. No, it's down there. It's dry. All that will be painted. We still have to decide what we're going to do with these tiles, and they're actually not bad. Potentially leave them, but they do look a bit old. So we'll potentially just level it and put vinyl. This will be the dining room. So a decent sized dining room. I think it's going to be 19 meters squared in total, including that kitchen, which I think is compliant for 6 bed. Now, Originally that wall, it separates it a bit too much, but unfortunately we can't remove it because that's the supporting wall. And actually, I'm thinking that's actually not such a bad thing, because it does mean we can use this space as a separate lounge stroke diner. So imagine a sofa there, coffee table, a TV up there, and still have access to the kitchen area here. So yeah, actually it might work really well. So people, tenants do want a separate reception room, but from a commercial perspective, it's better for landlords and investors to have a kitchen diner. So this might be a good solution for the tenant and the investor. Going through here now, on the other side, it's like an outhouse, but it looks like it has been plastered up, and it does have electric. It's just been boarded up. So what we're going to do, this would just be, so if it's outside. So in here, that's the outhouse. I'm not sure you can see it, but if you look through there, that's actually a doorway, which has been sealed off on the other side. That's been plastered, and there's a power socket there. We'll make that safe. Which going in, so here, we'll remove that doorway, put counters along there, and we'll move those fridges and hopefully the washing machine into that room. Now it's a small room, but it should fit. We'll use that as a utility room, so it should fit the washing machine, hopefully a dishwasher, and a fridge freezer, and 2 fridge freezers, or just 2 fridge freezers. And then all this will be painted white, tiles. Dry? Oh, dry. Yeah, it's quite good. Hopefully, I'd like to keep this, because that's actually a really, really good, that's a good quality oven, hob. One thing is it's gas, which is, hopefully it's one of the newer models that will turn off the gas if it's been left out. Okay, so upstairs, quote to include recarpeting throughout, so light grey carpets throughout. Quote will include structural repair to there, and also the front living room as well, reception room. So this will be the first studio. The plan would be to bring the doorway here or here, and there's 2 bathrooms in here. So we'll keep this bathroom for this as an ensuite for this room. For this room, would actually, so this is a brick wall. So the view would be to take that out and then put the kitchen facilities here. So have that as like a kitchen area. Now, depends on building regs requirement. We can either have a fire door here and leave this as a separate kitchen area, or we can take this door and take this stud wall down and have an open kitchen area, give up the tenant much more space. But it just depends on the building regs requirement to having a hob in this side of the property. And then this would be sort of the the bedroom. So imagine, that's kitchen. So imagine that wall potentially being taken down, and that just going through, and then the door actually being moved all the way down there. So basically it's going to open up this space a lot more. We'll remove this as well. So we'll remove that as well. So that completely goes. And this room now should be a lot bigger. I think it's about 16 meters squared. That's electric shower. So that is going to need to change. All right, room. Okay, room 3. Okay, so room 3. Here, storage, one storage, that's important. And room 2 here, and that's storage over there. And then room 4 here. Okay, so try to visualize that. What we're going to do is move that door all the way up to here. These are stud walls. So not that. This is the stud wall, so take all this down to basically open up that room completely. Cover this up, seal it up. So that's a wall. The door, this is all open up. This will be the ensuite. So take this down, put an ensuite there, because the ensuite is going to be on the other side as well. Back to back, this is going to be taken out. So the door will be over there. And then this will be, I think, around about 12, 13 meters squared. There you go. And so don't forget, this will be sealed off. And then this would be the second studio. So in here, we'll leave that as it is. So this will be the cupboard area. That wall will be knocked through. And then, so knocked through all the way over to here. We'll take that down because we don't need to. The ensuite will be there. And then we'll put the kitchen in that area over there. So that'll be quite a large studio. So all the way there, cut through there, all the way over there. Okay. And up here will be a separate studio as well. So I'll probably put a door here. This wall will come down. That wall will come down. Probably leave that there as a cupboard, a built-in cupboard. But all this will be taken down. The ensuite will stay up here. And then that, from there, all the way along here will be another studio. So it'll be the the third studio, but the 6th room. And this would be a kind of, it would have its own separate floor. So, yeah, that's the plan. Tom and Amina has provided an approximate quote already. Now with the final plans, they'll provide the final quote. And then we will, and also a start date and how long they expect it to take. And if everything is good, hopefully we'll crack on. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. See you guys at the next one. Bye.